Today I want to earn $1,000 and I start with $200. From here I like to take one sell position. If something, I will take two positions short from here, from this level. And after 4, 3, 2, 1 we will know I earn or I lose. And as you can see, I earn $50. From here I like to take one buy position, 8, 7. Now we will know I will trade using only $50 because I can lose, of course, one, and as you can see I earn another $50. From here I like to take one buy position again. I use $50 per one deal because of course I can lose, like now, as you can see 2-1 and I lose. I will take another buy from here, so I'm not risking all my balance at once. 4, 3, 2, 1 and I lose. Okay, from here I will take two positions buy because I think that the price will go up, because here I didn't see the level. Okay, as you can see I have another $100. Now I need to wait a little bit. I think to take short from here, from this level. Okay, I'm just waiting. And okay, from here I can take a short. If something, I will take two shorts from this point, a little bit higher. 3, 2, 1. And I will take two positions. It was very bad because price is in the same level, but okay, it doesn't matter. 3, 2, 1, and as you can see I earn another $100. Okay, it was very good. Price is going down now. As you can see on my balance is already $400. From here I like to take one buy position. If something, I will take two positions from this level. Like now I take two positions. And I didn't wait until this first position was closed. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and as you can see I earned another $100. Okay, now everything is good. I need to wait a little bit because we are in the middle, so we need to trade from the levels, from this higher level or this level, down level. I don't like to trade in the middle because price can go up or down, I don't know. If something, okay, it's going a little bit up. From here I can take one short, okay, because here we have level 7, 6, 5. If price is going up, I will take two positions, 3, 2, 1, and I earn another $50. Very good entry point. Okay, and now I need to wait again, so I'm not trading in the middle, as I told you before. Okay, as you can see, okay, from here I will take another short position. If it's going up, I will take two positions. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I take two positions. If something, I will take four positions. Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3. I will take four positions from here. And now I just need to wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I earn, and I didn't earn nothing. It was bad, okay, and now I am not trading because this level was broken, as you can see. So now price can go up and up. So it was a little bit risky, to be honest, because if price is breaking this level, I don't recommend you to trade. So now I like to choose another cryptocurrency, for example DOG. Okay, here we have level, as you can see. So that's why we can take one buy here. And if price is going down, I will take two positions because here we have level 4, 3, 2, 1, and I earn $50. From here I will take another buy. Okay, 7, 6, 5. Okay, price is going up, it's very good. And now I like to take one sell from here. I earned another $50. 5, 4, 3, but price is going up. And I will take two positions short from here. Okay, if something, I will take four positions, 4, and I will take four positions now. Okay, because here we have level 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I take another two positions from here. Okay, price is going down. As you can see on my balance is $24. It was bad because price just going up and up and up, but now I have $300. Okay, I started from 300, almost 300, and now I have 300. Okay, it happens. This is trading. I can't always just win money, so I need to lose sometimes. It doesn't matter. You must be prepared that you will lose all your balance. If you are not ready for that, I don't advise you to trade, because you can lose all your money in any moment. Okay, now price is going down. From here I like to take one buy. We will see, price is going up, okay. And I earn, okay, I earn $50. From here I will take a short, one short. If something, I will take two shorts. 5, 4, 3, price is going up. From here I will take two shorts. Okay, I lose $50. And after 6 seconds we will know I earn or I lose $100. Price is going up, but too late, I earned $100 another. From here I like to take one buy position, because I think that the price will go up from here. And price, no! Fuck! From here I will take two positions until my first position was closed. From here I will take two positions, okay. If price is going down, I lose all my money. As you can see, on my balance is $0. 2, 1, and I lose all my money. So now I have $0 on my balance. On the previous video like that I earned $5,000, but today I lose all my money. I repeat, you can't always earn money if you will trade, but on my channel I show you how I trade in real life. That's why I recommend you to watch my previous video.